let the Socially Versed SEO software create articles for you. So jump into strategy and then go to content strategy. You're going to discover basically where you can discover and write new blog articles based on keywords. So if you click add keyword, you can now see all the keywords that you've entered for your SEO account, and you can actually click on one of them and add it to your content idea board. You can obviously jump back in here and go ahead and add a couple different keywords so you can just switch through and find new content opportunities right within Socially Versed. So here you can see some different questions and article suggestions that the Socially Versed software has actually given you. And what we can see is this one has a yellow ribbon, and that kind of means it's special and you should maybe target something like that because it's a popular search. You can add it to your content scrapboard. What that does is comes up here and gives you the option to view your content scrapboard, which has all of those content topic ideas that you can actually see that are unwritten or ones that you have written. So if you find the ones that you've added and want, you can actually come and click Content Wizard. With the Content Wizard, it's basically going to generate a blog article for you. All you have to do is click Run Content Wizard, and it's going to pop out an article that you can actually copy and paste and upload directly to your website or wherever you want to take it to edit further if you want. So it takes a couple minutes to go ahead and do that, but within 2 or 3 minutes, you should have a fully custom built SEO first article based on that keyword and content title that you picked. All you have to do is copy that and go and paste it and publish it wherever you want on your website or to refine it. After you've actually gone and published like that blog post to your actual website, you can actually come back into the content scrapboard and then find that keyword that you, or that content title that you actually just wrote the article for and mark as written. And then take that blog article link and publish it here to tie it back to the SEO account. And that's how you use AI within Socially Versed to write articles for you.